Welcome back to the Be Brave for Once channel. I am here to specifically talk about this. Now, this is a cutlery brush. Now, I absolutely hate cleaning spoons and forks and knives. I don't know. It's tedious. It's small. So whenever I wash dishes, that's the last thing that's in the sink. And we have a dishwasher, but I mean, we're not sitting around waiting to fill up a dishwasher to clean our dishes. So this right here has completely changed the game because, as you can see, it has the brushes on both sides. So you're cleaning both sides of your cutlery at the same time. Now, this is on Amazon. It is in my description if you decide to look at it. It's like, $8 or $9. I think it's $9. But I'm going to get to the sink and I'm going to show you how well this works. All right, here we go. Okay, so here we go. Now, as you can see, let me go kind of slow. You see how it's getting both sides? And really, it doesn't take a long time to get this clean. And really you ain't got to spin it around. Boom, just like that. And it's clean. I can grab something else. I'm gonna grab this one. Now you see, it's cleaning both sides at the same time. You see? I gotta remember, I gotta slow it down so y'all can see what's going on. Let me move this a little bit. I gotta slow this down so y'all can see. And really, like I say, it don't take long. You do it how you want to do it. Spoon. Of course, I give it a spin, but you ain't even got to do that. Boom. And you can clean your whole piece. See how it's getting in there? I'm gonna buy another one of these just because I like this one so much. Come on.